guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can enable Instagram music features. Actually, this feature is not officially released in Nepal. They're only released in some of the countries. यो feature चाहिँ नेपालमा अहिलेसम्म officially release भएको छैन, but still there are different techniques to use this feature. So it looks like this. It has the music and the lyrics with your picture. I just mute the music because of the copyright issue. So it's simply posting your pictures with the music and with the lyrics. It's that simple. So if you want to know how I enable these music features, please do watch till the end and enjoy the video. Let's go to my Instagram app, and I'm gonna add story. I'm gonna select this picture, and I'm simply gonna swipe up, and you can see there is no any music features in my Instagram. And if we go back and check someone's story with the music features, it says Instagram music isn't available in your region. So this is the problem we are facing in Instagram. So to start this up, first you have to go to App Store or Play Store and search the app called VPN Unlimited. It works for both Apple and Android, so no matter what you are using, it will both gonna work. So I already have VPN Unlimited downloaded in my mobile, so I'm simply gonna open it, and I'm gonna change the location to USA. You have to change your location to USA, so just change your location to USA and let it connect. So it's connected. Now just simply go to Instagram and go to add story and select your picture. I'm gonna select this picture and just swipe up, and see, this is the music features we have been looking for. So just click it, and you can search any of the music. There are so many music available here. You can choose any of the music you want, and it gives you the lyrics. You can change the theme, you can change the size of the lyrics, and that's it. It's very simple. One disadvantage of using this technique, as we live in here Nepal, our most of the friends and families are from here, so whenever we post our story with the music features, they are not able to listen to our music. They are only supposed to see our post and with the lyrics. So if you are still watching this video, please do share these videos to your close friend and let them know about this technique and let them use this feature. So there is another idea. You can post this Instagram story to your Facebook story, so that everyone can listen to your music with your post. Facebook don't restrict any music. It's open for all. So that is another idea of using this music features. It will make your Facebook story look quite cool and nice also. So this much for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, and if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, take care.